In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from TradingView to Excel. This process is very useful for those who need to analyze trading data in more detail or integrate it with other financial models. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website and open the specific chart from which you want to export data. This could be any chart related to stocks, forex, or other securities you're interested in. Once you have your desired chart up on the screen, direct your attention to the small arrow located above the chart. This arrow might be small, but it's pivotal to the next few steps. Click on it, as this is the gateway to accessing your data export options. After clicking the arrow, you'll see a drop-down menu revealing multiple functionalities. On this list, look for the option labeled Export Chart Data. This option will allow you to start the process of transferring the data you've been working with over to an Excel file. Give that a click to continue. Next, a window will open showing different settings and configurations for the export process. Before continuing with the export, you'll notice another arrow on the chart itself. By clicking this arrow, you'll be able to specify settings like the time frame for your data export. Ensuring the correct time format and period is vital for accurate data analysis once it's imported into Excel. Consider carefully the kind of time format that fits your analytical needs best, whether it's set to daily, hourly, or any other increment. Once you've adjusted the time format to your preference, it's time to proceed with the export by looking for an export button. Clicking this button will initiate the download process, converting the chart data into an Excel-friendly format, usually a CSV file. This file type is convenient because it can easily be opened and manipulated within Excel, allowing powerful data manipulation using formulas, charts, and pivot tables. A quick tip: make sure that your browser settings allow downloads, and check your download folder to find the CSV file once the export is complete. You can rename this file in your preferred format for easy identification later on. Finally, open Excel and import the CSV file. You'll now have all of your TradingView data at your fingertips within Excel, ready for your detailed analysis. Whether you're running complex formulas or generating insightful charts, you'll find exporting from TradingView to Excel can greatly enhance your market strategies and insights. That's it. You've successfully exported data from TradingView to Excel, thus expanding your toolkit for market analysis. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials that empower your trading career. Thank you for joining, and happy analyzing.